Hey guys, this video is going to be on how to change your blade on your Craftsman miter saw. I got a comment asking if I could make a video on how to do that, so I will do the video. I told them I would, and I will, and just keep the videos coming in for stuff like this because it allows me to make content to help you guys with anything you need. So I'm gonna dive in there, bear with me, and we'll get going. Okay guys, so this bolt here is just gonna come out. You're gonna take this bolt out, watch, because you got washers and screws and a bearing that allows this piece here to roll. So just be careful with it. It has a little bearing on it. You have to have it in there. So try not to lose it. It's just a little tiny bearing. And then you have a washer on the inside. So when you pull it out, it's the washer on the inside is gonna come falling out. Okay. So, once you're done with that, then what you're gonna wanna do, there's a plate right here. You're gonna wanna remove this plate and try to watch how you're doing it because, let me see if I can move this back a little bit so my hand ain't in the way. Okay. You're gonna wanna move that plate, release this, and it basically all you're doing is getting in there so you can work. So that screws out. This one has to come all the way out, but this one slides. It's on a plate. So that gives you free access to your blade in there, and it allows you to work. Really, if you can slide that back up in there, you don't have to take it off. That bolt can stay where it's at. And that gives you free reign into your, and guys, make sure that your saw is turned off because we don't want no accidents, people cutting their hands off or anything. Just disclaimer on that. I don't want anybody messaging me saying they cut their fingers off because I would feel totally bad. So just let's try to do this as safe as possible. I'm gonna turn this a little sideways so you can see while I'm turning it and getting all that stuff done. But this really is not hard to get off. Bear with me, let me grab an Allen wrench and we'll go from there. Okay guys, what you wanna do is when you're taking the blade off, make sure you don't go to the back, you wanna go forward. There's arrows on it that tell you to go that way, and we'll loosen it up. We'll loosen your blade up. If not, you're just gonna keep tightening it. So lefty loosey, righty tighty, that's an old saying I learned from my grandfather. That doesn't apply in this case. You gotta go towards you with it. Just remember, go the way I'm going right now. So back and around. All right, so now I got the bolt out and put this piece off. Now this piece has to go right back on the way it came off. So I got the Craftsman blade off. The stock blade that came with it. Now I'm gonna put on the Irwin, the Irwin 42 blade. That one had 40 teeth as well. But it seems like I get a lot of tear out on that one, so we'll put this new one on here. Let's check it out. Nice new shiny Irwin. So it just slides on there like that. Then this piece is gonna go back on like that. Now, you gotta make sure this is super tight because it can be dangerous if that comes flying off. I lubed everything up just so it would fit back in better, and when I went to change it out next time, it wouldn't be so hard to get it back off. Now it's the screw don't want to go in, of course, because I'm turning it the wrong way. So that's what happens when you've already been working all day. But I did want to get this made. I want to try to make my subscribers happy, and when they ask me to do something for them, I want to be able to do it. So make sure this is on there tight. So now that's on there. Now, we gotta attach everything back up. So see that popped off, but I'm just gonna slide this around real quick. Basically, flip back around there. Now, that is going to go in like so. Screw that back in. That way you guys will know how to do it. I already cut my finger and everything. That way hopefully you guys don't cut your finger and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna bring this back to 0. Now that's gotta be put in there like that. But this is a learning experience for you and me because I hadn't changed the blade obviously yet. And I gotta tighten that screw up. Don't forget to tighten that one back down. But now I know how to do it, so it ain't gonna be as bad the next time. So basically just tighten that back down. Like so, where it's slide. Cause it's got a bearing in there that allows it to roll up and down. Then you want to tighten this back down too. So real quick, just screw that back down. It's actually, that has a quarter pin in the back of it. That's what I call a quarter pin. I'm Southern though, so I say a lot of stuff too before. I say instead of a ear of corn, I say a year of corn. So just bear with my southernness. I can't help it. All right, guys. So now everything's done. Let me move these tools out of the way so I don't go shooting tools everywhere. And I'll cut a piece of wood so you guys can see that the new blade, how the new blade works. All right, guys, bear with me for a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut with this new blade. Hopefully, let me turn the power back on. All right. So first, before you cut, you wanna just do a quick hit the button and see how it works. Okay, so everything's on there fine. Now I'm gonna slide this in here. And with the new blade, I got a lot less chip out. I mean, the chip out ain't too bad. If I took it slower, if you go slow with your cut, it don't do as bad. But guys, that's it for the blade change on the Craftsman miter saw. If you got any more questions, just ask. I'll try to make a video on it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much, and God bless. Have a nice day.